Let me show you how to tie knots. There are 3 methods. Let's start with the first method. This is the most commonly used and the simplest method. A basic knot. Hold the thread in one hand and the end in the other. Wrap the thread around your finger once, creating a crossed loop like this. Pass the end through the loop and pull. The knot is complete. If you feel the knot is too small, you can wrap it around one more time using the same method. Wrap it again to make a larger knot, like this. This is a double-wrapped knot. This helps when embroidering to hold the thread more securely. This is the first method. Let's try the second method. Tying a knot on the needle. Place the thread on your left index finger with the end pointing left. Hold it down with your thumb. Place the needle above the thread end. Hold it down with your thumb. This prevents the thread from moving. Pick up the thread. Wrap it twice around the needle. Push the needle upward. Pull the thread. The knot is complete. This is the second method. Let's try the third method. Hold the thread with your thumb and index finger. If you're left-handed, you can switch hands. The method is the same. Hold the thread with both hands. Right hand holds the end, left hand holds thread. Wrap the thread around your index finger once, creating a cross like this. Use your thumb to twist the lower thread, gently push it forward. Gently twist the thread like this. It will look like this. Gently pull this thread to the right. The knot is formed. These are 3 methods for tying knots. Use whichever method you prefer. Before embroidering, always tie a knot on the longer end. Tie the knot before you start stitching. When you finish embroidering, how do you tie off? Let me demonstrate. First, make a few random stitches on the fabric. This is the starting knot we made. How do we tie off when finished? Bring the needle through beneath a previous stitch, like this. Wrap the thread around the needle twice. Hold the thread in place. Push the needle upward. Pull the thread. Cut off the excess thread with scissors, like this. The finishing knot is complete.